Hello and welcome to Microsoft Hates Greg. Okay, so I know I've been a little tad negative on Microsoft Fabric of late, and it's something I feel kind of bad about. And because I'm not generally a negative person, really, I don't like being negative. I'm generally a pretty positive individual, and I like to say positive things about stuff. So I did find something in Fabric that I think is really awesome and cool. And so I wanted to bring it to everyone's attention, and it's kind of amazing to me that nobody's even been talking about it. I haven't seen a single blog article or a video made about this feature of Fabric. And it's amazing to me with all the Fabric fanboys and weebs out there that that nobody's even mentioned this particular feature. So I wanted to bring it to everybody's attention, because I like to say positive things. So I'll just go ahead and show you this feature right now. And so what you want to do is you want to create a Gen 2 data flow because this feature is not available on just your standard normal data flow. So you need to have a Fabric workspace. I've got my Gen 2 data workflow right here, see? And the way you get to this feature is you go here and you go to properties. And now look, you can actually turn on tooltips, right? Tooltips and insights, for your data flow. That's amazing to me. Like, I don't even know how they pulled that off. And now they did misspell data flow here, which it cut it some slack. It's a preview, it is in preview. But yeah, I mean, holy smokes. I mean, that is revolutionary, game-changing technology feature right there. I mean, that you can actually get tooltips, for your data flow and get insights into it. I mean, wow, I can't believe it, but nobody's talking about this thing. So yeah, I wanted to show everybody this because I mean, this is just crazy genius technological achievement in my opinion. So, never let it be said that I have nothing good to say about Fabric because, when I see something that really blows my socks off, I'm gonna be the first one to post on it. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.